Hello guys, it's Martin here from a lovely sunny Blackpool Automart. Got a nice BMW 3 Series here for it. It's the M Sport Automatic. It's just arrived into stock. It's done 71,800 miles, but my gosh, it looks good. It's been looked after. It's the 320i, so it's the petrol variant. It's late 2018. Just got a little scuff on the back bumper here, which we're going to get sorted. Can you see that? I think you can just make it out there. We'll sort that. And a couple of wheel edges as well, I think. Just need sorting. There's a bit on a wheel edge there. The reason for these videos really is to just go around it and show you any areas that we're going to attend to, or any areas we're not going to attend to, depending on its age and mileage. You know, sometimes we won't do something because of the car's mileage, but we will make this one better. That corner needs doing as well. Can you see that? Just a little bit of paint come off there, and that wheel too. But we'll do these. We'll do this. It warrants it on this car. It's a lovely looking car. It does look well in black. It's got the nav. It's got the heated seats. It's got the parking sensors. So it's good spec. Being an M Sport, very good spec. While I'm here, I'll probably best be telling you about the car. About the company while I'm out here as well. We're part of a company called the Cox Motor Group. We have 16 dealers across the northwest of the UK. We've got 3 here. We've got our Honda Bikes dealer just in front of me there. Huge Honda Bikes dealer. There's Automart there just behind the 2 flags. You can see us there in the background. And there's our Seat dealer next door. And across the road is our flagship Honda dealership with our workshops, valet bays, and our paint and body clinic there that do any paint work. And they're the people that'll be looking at these little bumper corners on this car. They'll be sorting it out. We also offer a delivery service on all our cars as well. It is free of charge, UK mainland only. We don't deliver on weekends, but we do during the week. So if you do want the car delivered, and a lot of people are doing at the moment, so just come out of this pandemic, we were doing nothing but deliveries at one point, which we got quite good at, to be honest with you. And we bought a couple of trucks and took on quite a few drivers, and we're carrying on with it. And yeah, we're quite good at doing the deliveries now. We've got a delivery manager, etc. So yeah, it's all good. We do need a bit of notice for deliveries because it can be up to sort of a week, dependent on how busy we are. But it has gone very, very busy at the moment. But just tell us early on in the conversation that you'd like to take us up on our delivery service, and we can get that booked in for you. Also, if you want to reserve any of our cars, and obviously we're talking about this BMW, but any of our cars, you can go onto our website, coxmotorgroup.com, coxmotorgroup.com, find the car, find the little orange reservation button, click that, and it's just £100 and it will reserve any car. Just click on that, it'll just ask for a few basic details and it'll take £100. It's a reservation. It holds the car in your name, it stops anyone else buying it, and what it also does, it sends me an email, because I'm the sales manager here. My name's Martin, by the way. It sends an email to me here stating that someone's left a reservation on one of our vehicles. That will trigger me to give you a call, and I'll ask you 3 questions when I call you. 1, is there a part exchange involved? 2, how are you funding the car? Are you going to take advantage of our low rate finance, or are you going to be funding it yourself? And 3, would you like to take us up on our free delivery service? So them are the basic questions I'll be asking you when I call you once you've left a deposit on the car. Or you can ring us at the branch. By all means, ring us at the branch. You can leave a deposit over the phone. It's 01253 600 900, and you can ring us at the branch. My name's Martin, like I said. I'm the sales manager here. If you've got any questions, or you want any more videos or pictures on this vehicle, please give me a call. We are open 7 days a week. The only day you won't catch me is a Wednesday, but my colleague Cork is here on a Wednesday. So if you need anything, a personalised video of the car, or you want to look at something specific on the car, under the bonnet, whatever, the sun visor, whatever you might feel you need to look at, by all means give us a call. We're here to help, and we will send you a more detailed video to your mobile phone or to your email, whichever you want. Anyway, there you go. There's a 68 plate 3 Series 320i BMW. It's done 71,800 miles. It's gorgeous looking. It needs a bit of a clean. It's not been through our process yet, as I showed you earlier. A couple of wheel edges, and I think there's a tyre light comes on the dash. Just bits of stuff that we can sort out. There's the inside of the car. It's got thigh extensions on the seats, and it's also got heated leather seats in this car, auto lights, auto wipers, and it's also got different drive modes. It's got Sport, Eco Pro, can you see there down at the bottom, and that can be used on the motorway to give you a maximum fuel economy. There's the error message about the tyre inflation just down a bit. That's something and nothing. If it's got a puncture, we'll sort that out. And there's the mileage of the car, 71,864. Let me just start the car up, and it will ping away. It will ping away saying that the tyre light's on. It's done that, which is fine. There's the tyre message on the dashboard. I'll show you the menu for the navigation. There's that nice big screen for the nav. There you go, there's the screen for the nav. It's saying the coolant's a little bit low. It's not been through our service department yet, this car, so it will get sorted. It's always got paddle change if you want to drive the car in a manual mode. You just select that manual on your gear stick and you can change gear with these two. Obviously up is plus and down is minus. That's quite nice to use paddle change. It's got cruise control there on the steering wheel, and it's also got your Bluetooth telephone answering on the right hand side. This is where everything operates from, the what's called the iDrive. You can go into all different aspects of the car, into the navigation, the map, the options. You can go turn sound off, on. You've got your Bluetooth in there. You've got all your radio functions in there. There's all sorts in the iDrive. Car's obviously got heated seats there, as you can see at the side, and it's got air conditioning as well. So you're getting a lot of car for your money. It's priced well. You know, mileage is slightly higher on the car. I do get that, but it's been looked after, this car. It's got nice history, and it's got 2 keys, and it just needs a little bit of us tender loving care on the bodywork, like I mentioned to you earlier, to get it to our standards. A couple of wheels need refurbishing, but at the price, it's a lovely, well priced vehicle, this, for a 68 plate car. Okay, so there's the car. Hopefully we'll get it through our service department very soon and get it all up to speed. So if you need any more images on this car, by all means give me a call. My name's Martin. It's been my pleasure to bring you this lovely BMW 320 today, and hopefully we'll see you in the not too distant future. Take care, guys. Speak soon. Bye for now.